Hello friends, today I will explain you Standard 9 Algebra, Chapter number 4 Ratio and Proportion, Practice Set 4.2. Let's begin. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks by substituting proper numbers in the following. So we will do the working note first. 5 upon 7 is equal to dash upon 28. Here 7 4s are 28. So 5 4s are 20. So here is the answer 20. Next, 5 upon 7 is equal to 35 upon dash. 5 sevens are 35. So 7 sevens are 49. 5 upon 7 is equal to dash upon 3.5. Here 7 multiplied by 0.5. 3.5. So 5 multiplied by 0.5. 2.5. Second question. 9 upon 14 is equal to 4.5 upon dash. Here 9 into 0.5, 4.5. So 14 multiplied by 0.5 is 7. That is 77.0. Next, 9 upon 14 upon dash upon 42. Here 14 3s are 42. So 9 3s will be 27. Next, 4.5 upon 7 is equal to dash upon 3.5. 7 multiplied by 0.5, it is 3.5. So 4.5 multiplied by 0.5. Forget upon decimals. 45 multiplied by 5. 5 5 is a 25. To carry 5 4 is a 20, 22. Decimal is after one number, decimal is after one number. So 2 decimals, 2.25. In this way we can complete this question very in a simple way. Let's go on the second question. Find the following ratios. The ratio of radius to circumference of the circle. Let the radius of the circle be r. So formula of circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Now ratio of radius to circumference. It is very simple friends. As you can see, radius upon 2 pi r. Circumference. Here r1s are r1s are. Answer is 1 upon 2 pi. Therefore, the ratio of radius to circumference of the circle is 1:2 pi. Second question. The ratio of circumference of circle with radius r to its area. So radius is given. Radius is equal to r. Circumference, as you have seen in the first question, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now area of circle. Formula for area of circle is equal to pi r square. Now we have to find ratio of circumference of circle to its area. Ratio of circumference of circle to its area. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r upon area is equal to pi r square. 1 r is cut, 5 pi is cut. So answer is 2 upon r. Therefore, the ratio of circumference of circle to its area is 2:r. Third question. The ratio of diagonal of a square to its side if the length of side is given as 7 centimeter. So first of all, length of side is given. Length of side of a square is given as 7 centimeter. So diagonal of a square. The formula for diagonal of square is root 2 multiplied by side of a square. So root 2 multiplied by side 7. Root 2 into 7, 7 root 2 centimeter. So we have to find ratio of diagonal of square to its side. Therefore, diagonal of a square 7 root 2 upon side 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are. The answer will be root 2 upon 1. Therefore, the ratio of diagonal of a square to its side is root 2 is to 1. Fourth question. The lengths of sides of a rectangle are 5 cm and 3.5 cm. Find the ratio of numbers denoting its perimeter to area. Length of a rectangle L is given 5 cm. Breadth of rectangle B is given 3.5 cm. First we have to find perimeter of rectangle. So the formula of perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. 2 5 plus 3.5 8.5. So 2 multiplied by 8.5 multiply by 2. 2 5 are 10 0 1 carry 2 8 are 16 plus 1 17.0. So the answer is 17 centimeter. Now we have to find area of rectangle. So the formula of area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. 5 multiplied by 3.5. 3.5 multiplied by 5. 5 5 is 25. 2 carry 5 3 is 15 plus 2 17.5. 17.5 centimeter square. So we have to find the ratio of perimeter to area. The ratio of perimeter to area. So perimeter is 17 upon area 17.5 centimeter square. There is only one number after the decimal point. So we have to remove this decimal. We have to multiply the numerator by 10. 17 tens are 170 upon 175. 5 3s are 15. 2 carry 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. 2 carry 5 4s are 20. So the answer is 34 upon 35. Therefore, the ratio of perimeter to area of a rectangle is 34 is to 35. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.